All right, now we're getting to some more serious stuff, and that's these awesome windshield options that we have, or windscreen options at teammscparts.com. We have a variety, we have a stack up over here of different tints, sizes, and we're gonna start out putting a low profile tinted windscreen on here because that's what we're gonna leave. I think that's gonna look the best on here. My personal preference. Everybody has their own personal preference, and that's why we're giving you options over on our website. But first, we're gonna take our bracket that's gonna come in the kit, and again, you can see the link to these options for you down in the description of this video. We're simply taking this Allen bolt out, and there's a nut down the bottom side there. I'll walk away for 1 second. Joel's already put this up under there. Just make sure you loosen it enough, and you'll be able to easily put that bracket underneath that bolt. Same thing on this side. And then you can tighten it back down. And now he's simply attached the second piece of the bracket right here. That's going to actually be what holds the windscreen on. Okay, pretty simple. Now, got our first option. And again, all these will be listed out for you on the website. All right, we're just gonna put these rubber grommets inside the windshield. Hey, quit moving. Just fit them down and around. I like that, Dylan. You like that? Pretty sharp.
Looks good.
And Dylan, the people have several different options, right? I was telling them.
So there's 3 size options. So you have a short, medium, and then a tall. And the exact measurements, they'll probably be on the website. But you got the shortest, the medium, and then the tall. And then the short and medium come in 2 different tint options. So you have a tinted and then a clear. The tall only comes in clear.
Okay, sweet, sweet. Yeah, so that's the short and the tinted version. That looks really nice. But if you really want to block the wind, go with the tall and it's clear.
Yeah.
But you can get a medium in between the 2 that is tinted if you really like the tinted look. So, very nice. And this, can you show us the tall maybe? I haven't even pulled that stack out yet. Oh yeah.
So here's the tall.
Tall, clear.
Just hold it up. Let's see.
Yeah, definitely. Oh yeah. I like it. What y'all think? Again, different sizes, different options, and they all mount the same way. So actually, I'll talk to Dylan and see if maybe you can get the same bracket and maybe order a small one like this for maybe during the summer you want to rock the short tinted one. And then if it starts to get a little colder and you're still out riding and you want to block more of that wind, you can just take that one off, put your tall clear one on. We'll try to make sure that that option's available for you, but it's down in the description of this video. You can click the link, you can get this. And I'll also put a generic link that just takes you to our parts website so that you can see that and see all that we have. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Short and sweet, but showing you a few options. And remember, there's way more on our website, teammscparts.com. God bless you. As always, remember to keep it real. We'll see you in the next one.